Good Monday afternoon, everyone, and welcome back on this first alert weather day. We are turning up the heat this afternoon. 83 with sunshine right now in Fargo. We do have a few passing clouds, but it feels like 90 degrees. That humidity is already at 77%. It's going to be hot and humid through the rest of our day. Moorhead Airport current air temperature of 82. Meanwhile, Grand Forks 84 with more clouds than sunshine at this moment, but feels like 92. Wind is out of the southeast at 16 miles per hour and humidity at 74%. Across the region, temperatures are climbing into the 80s quite quickly. We're at 90 down in Oaks, 93 in Sisseton, much cooler in northern Minnesota, 79 in Roseau, 73 in Baudette at this time. And your heat index, again, just an update from a few minutes ago. 99 Sisseton, 98 in Oaks, and Fergus Falls feels like 96 up in Langdon, 90 in Hallock. So it's a hot day. With that heat index value, it's going to continue to climb through the rest of the afternoon into the high to even very high category, and that can be dangerous. So let's take a look at your hour by hour heat index planner. This is not air temperature. This is going to be your feels like temperature, and we're going to climb into the triple digits, especially south and west across southeastern North Dakota. That's where I expect some of the hottest feels like temperatures, your heat index values, especially where we're going to have more sunshine. It will be cooler in northern Minnesota with lingering cloud cover and potentially a few more passing showers through the rest of the afternoon. But heading home from work, it's going to be hot. It's going to be sticky. So pack the water bottle to have in the car on your way home. This evening, we do finally cool down, but even by 10 p.m., we're still going to have heat index values in the 80s and 90s. So familiarize yourself with some of these signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Maybe not only to help yourself, but if you come across someone who is experiencing any of these symptoms, especially slurred speech, confusion, if you lose consciousness, that's a huge sign of heat stroke. So just take a minute to review these over. I also have these posted on our social media pages as well. Here are those showers and lingering thunder showers in northern Minnesota, primarily in Lake of the Woods County, where they have been ongoing and lingering through the morning. Elsewhere, we just have a few sprinkles, perhaps making it to the ground in a few areas of clouds. Later today is when that severe risk bumps up. A level 1 out of 5 for the Southern Valley, including Detroit Lakes, Fergus Falls, Fargo out towards Ellendale and Jamestown. Increased risk up to the north, where we've got that level 2 out of 5 shaded in yellow, and at greater risk, level 3 out of 5 across north central North Dakota, but it does include Langdon and Towner County. Here are some of the impacts we can expect with the severe potential later today. So it'll be late afternoon through the overnight, even into tomorrow morning. You can see wind gusts between 60 and 70 miles per hour, 2-inch diameter hail, possible tornadoes along with flash flooding. And again, that greatest risk is going to be for the northern half of the valley. Timing everything out in your hour by hour forecast, we still have some ongoing showers and sprinkles. I think this model overdoes it just a little bit, but those showers in northern Minnesota will be exiting. And then later this evening is when I expect those stronger storms to move in. You can see this round here in southeastern North Dakota. This is after 10 o'clock, so it's going to be potentially a loud night ahead with some of these storms, but it's across the north where those strongest storms are expected, although some of them could still be strong and severe down in the Southern Valley. The greatest risk of scattered severe remains across the north. These continue through the overnight. Here we are tomorrow morning, Northern Valley still seeing some lingering storm activity, and then we could see redeveloping storms for tomorrow afternoon and even into parts of the evening for your Tuesday. So we'll be watching the area shaded again in dark green and yellow as we head into tomorrow. As we wrap up your 7-day forecast, lots of 80s on the board, a little breezy by Wednesday, but the heat returns near 90 by Friday. And the weekend, Jordan, right now, not looking too bad. Close to seasonal.
Only on Monday already looking at the nice weekend, huh?
I know.
You've got to get through this insanely hot day, though.
Yes, take care.
All right, Summer, thank you.